Some motorcycles look affordable at first, but only a few truly deliver lasting value. Here are 7 motorcycles that riders confidently say are worth every dollar in 2026. Number 7. Honda Rebel 300. The Honda Rebel 300 earns its place on this list because it delivers dependable performance, easy handling, and real-world value that many riders appreciate year after year. It's a motorcycle designed to keep ownership simple, affordable, and stress-free. Exactly what many mature riders are looking for in 2026. At the heart of the Rebel 300 is a proven 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that is known for its smooth delivery and long-term reliability. It produces enough power for daily commuting, relaxed highway cruising, and weekend rides without feeling overwhelming. This engine has built a strong reputation for durability, and many owners report years of trouble-free riding with minimal maintenance. Another reason this bike feels worth every dollar is its excellent fuel economy of around 30 kilometers per liter, which helps keep running costs low over time. The low seat height of about 690 millimeters also makes the bike feel stable and confidence-inspiring, especially when stopping in traffic or maneuvering at slow speeds. You immediately notice how friendly and comfortable this motorcycle feels from the very first ride. It's a smart choice for riders who want reliability, simplicity, and everyday value without unnecessary complexity. Number 6. Yamaha Vstar 250. The Yamaha Vstar 250 continues to prove its value in 2026 by offering something many riders truly appreciate: simplicity, durability, and a riding experience that feels honest and dependable every single day. It may not be the most powerful motorcycle on the road, but it delivers steady performance and low ownership costs, which is exactly why so many riders keep it for years. Powering this motorcycle is a reliable 249 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that runs smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for relaxed commuting and casual highway rides. This engine design has been trusted for decades, and its proven reliability is one of the biggest reasons riders consider the Vstar 250 a smart long-term investment. It starts easily, runs consistently, and requires very little attention compared to more complex machines. Another major advantage is its lightweight design with a wet weight of around 147 kilograms, which makes the bike easy to handle in parking lots, city traffic, and tight turns. It also offers impressive fuel economy of roughly 30 to 32 kilometers per liter, helping riders save money every time they fill the tank. This is the kind of motorcycle that quietly earns your trust over time. It's comfortable, predictable, and incredibly dependable. A true value choice for riders who want a machine that simply works without drama. Number 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 stands out in 2026 as a motorcycle that delivers comfort, character, and long-distance reliability at a price that feels fair for what you get. It's designed for riders who want a relaxed, enjoyable experience every time they head out on the road. Whether it's a short city ride or a peaceful weekend cruise, at its core is a dependable 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that focuses on smooth, steady power rather than aggressive speed. This engine is known for its refined feel compared to older Royal Enfield models, and it performs especially well at moderate cruising speeds. It's the kind of motor that encourages you to slow down, enjoy the ride, and trust the bike to do its job day after day. Another reason the Meteor 350 feels worth every dollar is its strong fuel efficiency of around 35 kilometers per liter, which keeps running costs very manageable over time. It also features a comfortable seat height of about 765 millimeters, giving riders a confident and relaxed riding position that reduces fatigue on longer journeys. You quickly notice how calm and reassuring this motorcycle feels on the road. It's a bike that invites you to ride more often, travel farther, and enjoy every mile with confidence. Number 4. Triumph Speed 400. The Triumph Speed 400 has quickly become one of the best value motorcycles in 2026. Because it delivers premium quality, strong performance, and everyday usability at a price that feels surprisingly reasonable. It carries the respected Triumph name, yet remains practical enough for daily riding, making it a very appealing choice for riders who want both excitement and long-term value. At the center of this motorcycle is a lively 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that produces smooth, confident power across the entire riding range. It feels responsive when pulling away from traffic lights and remains comfortable at highway speeds, giving riders a sense of control and confidence in many different situations. This engine is designed to be efficient, durable, and enjoyable without being complicated. Another reason the Speed 400 feels worth every dollar is its strong power output of around 40 horsepower, which provides more than enough performance for city riding and open road cruising. It also maintains practical fuel economy of roughly 28 to 30 kilometers per liter, helping keep ownership costs reasonable over time. From the moment you twist the throttle, you can feel the balance between performance and refinement. It's a motorcycle that makes every ride feel special while still being sensible enough to live with every day. Number 3. Kawasaki Eliminator. The Kawasaki Eliminator earns a strong position on this list because it blends modern performance, comfort, and everyday practicality into one very well-balanced motorcycle. In 2026, many riders see it as a smart investment, not just because of its performance, but because it delivers a smooth, refined riding experience that feels premium without being overly complicated. Powering the Eliminator is a responsive 451 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that provides steady acceleration and confident highway performance. It feels noticeably stronger than smaller entry-level bikes, yet remains smooth and easy to control in city traffic. This engine is known for its reliability and low maintenance needs, which helps owners feel confident about keeping the bike for many years. Another reason this motorcycle feels worth every dollar is its manageable seat height of around 735 millimeters, which helps riders feel secure and balanced when stopping or maneuvering at low speeds. It also offers impressive fuel economy of roughly 27 to 30 kilometers per liter, making it practical for daily commuting and longer rides alike. You immediately notice how modern and comfortable this motorcycle feels once you start riding. It's a confident, well-rounded machine that delivers real value for riders who want performance, reliability, and everyday usability in one package. Number 2. Suzuki SV 650. The Suzuki SV 650 has earned a legendary reputation over the years, and in 2026 it still stands as one of the smartest motorcycles you can buy for the money. It offers a rare balance of strong performance, proven reliability, and everyday practicality, which is exactly why so many riders keep coming back to this model generation after generation. At the heart of the SV 650 is a trusted 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable power across the entire riding range. It feels strong when accelerating onto highways, yet calm and manageable during daily commuting. This engine design has been refined for decades, and its durability is one of the biggest reasons riders consider the SV 650 a true long-term value motorcycle. Another key advantage is its solid power output of around 74 horsepower, giving riders confident performance without feeling excessive or intimidating. It also maintains respectable fuel economy of roughly 24 to 27 kilometers per liter, helping keep ownership costs reasonable even with its strong performance. This is the kind of motorcycle that feels right the moment you ride it. It's dependable, versatile, and incredibly satisfying. A machine that continues to prove its worth year after year. Number 1. Yamaha MT07. The Yamaha MT07 takes the top spot because it delivers one of the best combinations of performance, reliability, and everyday enjoyment you can find in 2026. It's a motorcycle that feels exciting every time you ride it, yet remains practical enough to live with daily. For many riders, this is the perfect example of a machine that truly gives you full value for your money. At its core is a powerful and well-proven 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that is widely respected for its strong acceleration and smooth performance. This engine responds quickly when you twist the throttle, making highway riding, overtaking, and weekend trips feel effortless and confident. It has also built a strong reputation for durability, which helps owners trust the bike for long-term use. Another reason the MT07 feels worth every dollar is its impressive power output of about 74 horsepower, providing energetic performance without becoming difficult to control. Despite that performance, it still delivers practical fuel economy of around 23 to 25 kilometers per liter, making it suitable for everyday riding. You can feel the excitement the moment you start moving. It's a motorcycle that keeps riders smiling, mile after mile. A true value leader that proves performance and practicality can exist together. Choose the bike that gives you real value every time you ride. Ride safe. And don't forget to subscribe for more trusted motorcycle insights.